Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to act now. Plug in the charger and save open files so changes don't interrupt work. Open Start, type Settings, and go to System, then Power and Battery. This is where Windows keeps Power profiles. Once there, look at the active power plan and note its name. Make sure you can return if needed. You're starting the change at the system level so modifications apply to hardware. This prevents inconsistent behavior between battery and plugged-in states. Now you'll dig into the detailed controls. Click Additional Power Settings, then change Plan Settings for the active plan and choose Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Sleep and set Sleep and Hibernate to Never so the PC won't enter power saving unexpectedly. Then expand Processor Power Management, set minimum processor state to 0% or 5% and maximum to 100% to avoid throttling. Make sure display dimming options. Finish by disabling adaptive or vendor-specific features. Open Settings Power and Battery and turn off Adaptive Battery or Eco modes, and open Lenovo Vantage to disable any Lenovo power-saving profiles. Next, check Device Manager for any battery or chipset power-saving drivers. Update drivers if they throttle performance, or roll back recent updates if problems started after one. Restart the PC and test. If something goes wrong, revert the saved plan settings you noted earlier. That single rollback often fixes stability issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.